Hello friends, good morning everyone. Welcome to Education Allowing. Let's fly with success. Today is 30 October 2020. This is our current affairs session. I am Sujit Kumar Mishra, your friend and mentor here to discuss and analyze today's current affairs. It is very much helpful for all competitive examination because current affair plays an important role in all competitive exam. So try to watch the session till end for your better knowledge and preparation. And one thing, those who first visit Education Allowing must subscribe the channel for the further updates. Let's proceed. This was our previous day question, so we have to answer it first. Our first question was, who tops in the Forbes list of world's best employer 2020? Amazon, Samsung, LG, or option D, none of these? Answer here is option B, Samsung. South Korea based Samsung Electronics has topped the list of world's best employer 2020 and it is published by Forbes. Okay. Our second question was, Alpha Conde appointed as president of which country? Guinea, Brazil, Belarus, or option D, Oman? The correct answer here is Guinea. So recently Alpha Conde appointed as the new president of Guinea, and the capital of Guinea is Conakry. Conakry is the capital, and Guinean franc is the currency of Guinea, and recently Alpha Conde is the president. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. So proceed towards today's first question. First question of the today's session is, who has inaugurated the 4th edition of India Energy Forum? Rajnath Singh, Narendra Modi, Hardeep Singh Puri, or option D, Prahlad Singh Patel? As per you see the image of Prime Minister here, the correct answer here is option B, Narendra Modi. Recently, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has inaugurated the 4th India Energy Forum by CERAWeek organized by His Market. It is organized by HIS His Market. Okay, and the theme of 2020 is India's energy future in a world of change. Remember, India's energy future in a world of change. Okay, next question. Sumangal portal launched in which state? Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Bihar, or option D, Jharkhand? As per you see the Chief Minister image of Navin Patnaik here, the correct answer here is option A, Odisha. The Odisha's Chief Minister Navin Patnaik has launched the Sumangal portal for inter-caste marriage incentives. This portal, Sumangal portal, is for inter-caste marriage incentives. Okay, and another scholarship web portal also launched named Odisha State Scholarship Portal. Odisha State Scholarship Portal also launched in Odisha. Okay, Odisha is in news. Capital of Odisha is Bhubaneswar. Chief Minister is Mr. Navin Patnaik and Governor is Professor Ganeshi Lal. Okay, I hope you got the facts also now. Next question. Who is the first state to fix floor price for vegetables? Bihar, Andhra Pradesh, Kerala, or option D, Tamil Nadu? The correct answer here is Kerala. Option C is correct here. Recently, Kerala became the first state in the country to fix the floor price for vegetables. Okay, the floor price will be 20% above the production cost of the vegetables. About it is 20% more than the production of vegetables. Okay, Kerala is in news. Capital of Kerala is Thiruvananthapuram. Chief Minister is Pinarayi Vijayan and Arif Muhammad Khan is the governor of Kerala. Okay. Question number 4. Who has launched virtual festival of Parampara series 2020? Ramnath Kovind, Narendra Modi, Amit Shah, or option D, Vice President Venkaiah Naidu? The answer here is Vice President Venkaiah Naidu. Recently, Vice President of India M. Venkaiah Naidu has launched the virtual festival of Parampara series 2020. Okay, and it is the Parampara series 2020 National Festival of Music and Dance. Okay. Next question. The Young Advocates Welfare Fund launched in which state? Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, Uttarakhand, or option D, Rajasthan? The correct answer here is Tamil Nadu. In Tamil Nadu, the Young Advocates Welfare Fund has been launched. Okay, it assists up to 3,000 financial assistance of 3000 rupees for 2 years to the lawyers who just come out from the law college. It is for the newcomer. It is for the newcomer of the advocates. About 3000 financial assistance has been given for the 2 years. Okay. Tamil Nadu is in news. Capital of Tamil Nadu is Chennai. Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu is E.K. Palaniswamy, and Banwari Lal Purohit is the governor of Tamil Nadu. Okay, I hope you got the facts also now. Next question. SBI, State Bank of India, has signed an agreement up to $1 billion with whom? RBI, ADB, JBIC, or option D, none of these. The correct answer here is JBIC. JBIC stands for Japan Bank for International Cooperation. Remember, Japan Bank for International Cooperation is the abbreviation of JBIC. Recently, State Bank of India has signed a loan agreement up to $1 billion with JBIC. Okay. Next question. Who is the author of the book titled Night of the Restless Spirit? Night of the Restless Spirit. Chetan Bhagat, Sabrit Singh, Ravinder Kumar, option D, none of these. Can you guess the answer here? The answer here is Sabrit Singh. A book titled Night of the Restless Spirits, the stories from 1984. The story from 1984. It is authored by Sabrit Singh. The author recounts the Sikh massacre of 1984 in this book. Okay, about the Sikh massacre of 1984 is written in this book and written by Sabrit Singh. Remember, it is important in exam perspective view in books and author topic. India Post and Postal Service of which country signed a pact for electronic exchange of customs? Japan, US, Australia, option D, Sri Lanka. The answer here is option B, US. Recently, Indian Post and US Postal Service entered into an agreement for the electronic exchange of customs data related to the postal shipments. Okay. Next question. Who has selected for Dr. Tulsidas Cup Award 2020? Satish Mishra, Bimal Jain, Shashi Bhushan Pandey, option D, none of these. The answer here is Satish Mishra. Recently, National Academy of Medical Science of India has selected the principal scientist Dr. Satish Mishra for the Dr. Tulsidas Top Award 2020. He is awarded for the research work on malaria parasite life cycle. Okay, Dr. Satish Mishra got Dr. Satish Mishra got Dr. Tulsidas Cup Award 2020 for his outstanding contribution in the research of malaria parasites life cycle. You can see here the image of Dr. Satish Mishra here. Okay, next question. Which country imposed new lockdown on 28 October? New lockdown started from 28 October. Germany, France, option C, both A and B, option D, none of these. The answer here is option C, both A and B. Both in Germany and France, the new lockdown is already started from 28 October due to the second wave of coronavirus. Due to the second wave of coronavirus, the COVID-19 due to COVID-19 pandemic, the second wave of coronavirus in France and Germany, the second lockdown or the new lockdown is started already. Okay. This is our question of the day. You have to give the answer in our comment section and we will discuss this answer in our upcoming session. Okay, if you like the session, then you can share it in your educational related group. Thereby many students got help, because in competitive exam current affairs plays an important role. Okay, our first question is, who has decided to establish anti-human trafficking police station? Our second question is, Aditya Puri retired from MD and CEO of which bank? Please try to answer more in comment section. Thereby regular practice is done by you, because practice is more important in the competitive exams preparation. Okay, I hope you understand it very well. Thank you for watching this session. Please like, subscribe and share as much as you can, thereby many students got help. If you like the session, then you can must share it. Okay, and those who first visit educational wing, subscribe the channel for the upcoming updates. Thank you. Have a great day.